Is the 1099 cleaning business model legal? Everyone says no. I have run this model for 20 years and I have survived two separate government audits. So, is the 1099 model legal or not? The honest answer is that it depends entirely on how you build it from day one. The IRS looks at three specific things: who controls the work, who controls the money, and what the working relationship actually looks like on paper. Behavioral control comes first. If you train your cleaners, set their schedules, and dictate exactly how they clean, then they are employees, period. In a true referral model, cleaners decide how they work and which jobs they accept. That independence is the whole point of the structure. Financial control is next. True contractors bring their own supplies, cover their own business expenses, and can work for anyone they choose, even your competitors. Third is the relationship itself. No benefits, no vacation pay, and a written agreement that says exactly what this arrangement is and what it is not. Fail those tests, and misclassification means back taxes, penalties, and interest. This is exactly why people call the model risky. But here is what the critics always miss: a referral agency does not employ cleaners at all. It simply connects clients with independent cleaning professionals. The agency handles the marketing, the booking, and the payment processing. The cleaner runs their own business, two separate businesses working together by choice. In 2024, New York State audited my company. A senior auditor asked 13 questions about exactly how my business operates. And the result? My independent contractor model was confirmed fully compliant. Years earlier, an IRS challenge ended in exactly the same way for me. That did not happen by luck. It happened because the paperwork, the payment structure, and the daily reality all matched the model completely. And that is the real answer here. The model itself is legal. Sloppy execution of the model is what actually gets people into trouble. Most people fail because they run it halfway: employee style control with contractor style paperwork. That exact mismatch is what auditors are trained to catch. So get three things right from the start: a real contractor agreement, genuinely hands off operations, and payment structures that truly match independence. Remember, I am not an attorney, and this is education, not legal advice. Every state has its own rules, so run your setup past a professional in your state. I break down exactly how I passed both of those audits and other videos right here on this channel. Subscribe and bring me your question. It's important to keep it as your clones. If you want to see exactly how this model works day to day, then start with the video that is on your screen right now.